Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's learn and grow together. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a video of your resolution. Now just open the PPT. Here I have selected this PPT. This PPT you can open, and here few slides I have prepared, and at the background of each and every slide I want to give some audio, and that whole file I need to convert into video. Then how we can go for it? For that, here number of slides you need to prepare, and after preparing number of slides you have to click on the file. After clicking on the file, you can see like these options, that may be home, new, open, like that number of options are there. You have to go down and you have to select export as an option. After clicking on export, here number of options are there: create PDF or XPS document, create video, create an animated GIF, package presentation for CD, create handouts, change file type. Out of these many 6 options, you have to select second option, that is create a video. After clicking on create a video, like this window you will get, and here in first option number of sub options are there. The video resolution you want to select as a Ultra HD, 4K, Ultra HD, then HD and standard type. Now as per your need, which resolution you want, you can select it. But if you will ask us, we will suggest, in order to give the better experience for your viewers, please select Ultra HD 4K option. After that, here second heading is there, or second option is there. If you will click on that option, number of options are there, almost 4 options are there. Don't use recorded timings and narrations, use recorded timings and narrations. Then third one, record timings and narrations, and finally preview timings and narrations. Out of that, you have to select third option, that is record timings and narrations. After clicking on record timings and narrations, you will get like this window. Here number of controls are there. These number of controls we are going to study. Here at the below you can find, here eraser is there, pen is there, then highlighter is there, and here number of colors are there. If you want to erase something, you can click here and you can try it. If you want to write something on the slide while explaining, you can select the pen. Out of that, which color you want to take, you can choose, and after that, like this, you can write or you can draw whatever you want to draw. Now second thing, that is nothing but your highlighter. You can click on the highlighter. Out of these many colors, you can choose any of the color and you can use it for highlighting purpose like this. Now these 3 you might have understood. Now here one more control is there, that is nothing but turn on microphone or turn off microphone. In order to give the background voice to all these slides which you have prepared, you need to turn on this microphone. If you want your video should be there, then you can click on this turn on camera. As soon as you are going to turn on the camera, here like this window you will get. If you want to record yourself inside this video or inside this presentation, you can click here, otherwise you can turn it off. Now like this number of controls are there. These controls you have studied, that is eraser, pen, highlighter, microphone and camera. Now to the upper side there are many more controls. First one is record, stop and replay. Now here to this slide you have to record the background noise, or you have to record your voice. In that case you have to click on the record. After that it will count 3, 2, 1. And now what you want to say regarding this slide you can say. And if you want to record all the slides in continuation, what you need to do, suppose you have completed the whole explanation regarding this slide, then you can wait for 2 seconds and you can click on this button. You will be diverted towards the next slide. Now before starting the explanation of this second slide, what you need to do, you need to wait for 2 seconds, and after that what you can do, you can start explaining what you have written or whatever is your explanation. Like that, if you have to move towards the next slide, Before moving towards next slide, just wait for 2 seconds. And before explaining whatever things are written on this slide, wait for 2 seconds and you can start explaining. Like that, how many number of slides are there, for those many number of slides you can give your voice or you can give your explanation. Now let us say that you have reached up to the final slide. Then what you need to do, you need to stop your recording. Now after stopping the recording, suppose you need to check the voice you have given whether it is okay or not. Then in that case what you can do, you can come to first slide and you can check here whatever
what you
sound
want
you
to
have
say.
given, whether it is right or wrong. If few mistakes are there, what you can do, you can stop here, and to this only slide once again you can record the audio. It is not compulsory that in a stroke you have to record all the slides. It is not compulsory at all. One by one you can record for each slide and you can move ahead. Like this, suppose you have completed recording the audio explanation for each and every slide. After that you can after pressing the escape button, you will be diverted towards the screen. Once again same options are there, file, then you will come up to export option, here create a video, then here Ultra HD 4K resolution we have selected, and here you need to check previously which option we have selected, record timings and narrations. Instead of that, now you have to select or you have to check whether use recorded timings and narrations option is on, and after that you have to click on create a video. After clicking on create a video, it will ask the path where you want to save that video. You can choose that path and you can click on the save button. After clicking on save button, here you can find one rectangle. Here file name is there, that is base PPT, which name we have given, and here in this rectangle the progress of conversion of this PPT into video is shown. After 100% progress, here I can see this rectangle filled with black color, and at the destination I will get the whole created video. Like this, easily you can convert your PPT into video. Hope you might have understood how to convert PPT into video. In order to appreciate our efforts, please do subscribe to our channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.